All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're looking at another Carnegie Mellon activity. This one's Sushi, and these are animations. So what we have here, and I'm not a big sushi eater, but over here I've already clicked run, and when you click, mine won't show up. Let's go ahead and do solution here for a second. When you click run, you can see it places sushi here. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll start working on this. So as you can see, the first thing, this is all going to be within the function, in our defined function here, or method if you want to call it that too. They're both the same. So it says draw the sushi body with an oval, a rectangle, and another oval. Okay, so we're going to have three of those here. Okay, and it says hint, the first oval is drawn at mouse X and mouse Y, and the rectangle is 20 pixels to the left of that, so we're going to have to take the mouse X and then subtract 20 pixels, and the second oval is drawn 20 pixels below that. So we're going to have to add 20 pixels. Okay, so let's go ahead and get working. So if I look here at the sushi, if I hold down control, which that's how you inspect, oops, you can see that we don't have to worry about the 184, 138, because that's going to be mouse X and mouse Y, but we do have to worry about the size. So that's 40 and 20, and that's really the only thing we need for that, for the oval. So let's do that first. Oops, don't capitalize mouse. And then 40 and then 20. So if I go to my canvas here and run this, you can see I'm starting that process here. Okay, so then we'll leave that one up there. So then our next one is the rectangle. And that, as it said up above here, is 20 pixels to the left. So we're going to have to subtract from that. So we're going to do mouse X minus 20. And then we'll still do mouse Y, and we'll keep the same sizes. Okay, let's try that. Okay, I think that looks okay. No. Let's go back and look at this. I don't think that's going to work. I think we're going to need... There we go. There's a gradient there too. Okay, so black and dim gray. Okay, so let's do that here. Oops. Let's try that now. Oops. Okay. Looks a little better. All right. Let's draw the last piece to this, which is our oval. Now this is keeping the mouse X, and then as it said up above, this is mouse Y plus, because we're going to go down 20, I believe it said. Because those really are the same. So we're going to run those. There. So that gives us this. Now we're not done, because if you look at, now we've got to draw the rice with an oval. So we're going to create that. Now if I go back to solution here, hold down Control, I can look at that. Nah, we're just going to fill that with white. And the white's going to be slightly smaller. I don't see... We'll just kind of adjust a little bit, take a little off and see what happens. And we're going to keep these mouse X, mouse Y, because it's just kind of in the center, so we don't have to offset them at all. And then we'll do just slightly smaller than what we did before. And we're going to fill that in with white. Aha, that worked. Perfect. All right, so now we've got one last thing. Now we just have to do the salmon, which is a rectangle. They give you the shapes for that. So if I go look at the solution here, you can see the gradient is salmon and crimson. And we'll kind of make those a little less than the mouse and X, mouse, Y, and we'll just kind of see how that works. Okay, so this is going to be a rectangle. And you can see here they have you tell you to subtract the 5. That's kind of where I got that from. And then we'll do 10, 10, so we're going to make it smaller. And then we're going to fill and do a gradient. I think, what was the other one here? Crimson. Okay, let's check it out. That looks the same to me. Yeah, I think that's it. All right, hopefully this helps you with your coding, and good luck.